Hey, what's up, everybody? Today, we are toggling on the ability to record in 4K from my main DSLR camera, a Sony, by introducing next-gen console capture from Elgato. We're taking a look at the 4K-S. Now, obviously, the 4K-S is popular amongst gamers and content creators alike for many of the reasons that you see right here on the front. We've got 4K at 60 frames per second capture capabilities. Any system, it lists PlayStation, Switch, Xbox, that covers the gamut on gaming pretty much, and 120 frames per second on gaming. This is an awesome way if you are a content creator and gamer to stream your content to your PC. Now, in my current setup, I am recording directly from my Sony DSLR to a Blackmagic Design ATEM Mini via HDMI. And from there, I have a USB-C connection back to the PC. Now, my Sony DSLR is a decently serious camera. I can stream at 4K 60 frames per second from it. However, the ATEM Mini has a maximum of 1080p that it can relay back to the PC. That caps me at just an HD image, which you are currently seeing. The Elgato 4K-S is going to take the place of the ATEM Mini in my setup, having the HDMI from my Sony DSLR go directly to the 4K-S, which will then relay a 4K up to 60 frames per second signal via USB-C back to my PC. And of course, we'll then ingest via OBS, and you'll see the magic on the other side. Let's take a look. Included 2.0 high-speed HDMI cable and the included USB-C 3.0 cable. Setup is pretty simple. We've got HDMI in, HDMI out, and USB-C. All we're gonna need to do is HDMI in for our Sony DSLR camera and USB-C back out to our PC. HDMI in, USB-C out. And this is an actual 4K image as it's coming through the HDMI cable to the Elgato 4K-S and back through USB-C to the PC. So that is the Elgato 4K-S, and we are now back at the desk with the Sony, this time recording 4K back through that 4K-S into the PC directly, and OBS is ingesting and cranking out a 4K video. That's a really sharp image, looks very crisp and clean, maybe too sharp. That's a lot of scary detail there. Many thanks to Blackmagic Design and the ATEM Mini. This has served me well as it has ingested HD video, but we're upgrading to ingesting 4K video now, and perhaps the ATEM Mini will serve other purposes in production somewhere down the line. Hope you found this useful. If you did, of course, share it out to your networks. Throw a like on the video. Leave a comment if you've got questions or praise or ridicule. I take it all. Thanks again for watching, and I hope that we're going to see you back here for the next device overview video.